Welcome back. Now, in order to use Amazon SES for your marketing communications, you will be using an interface. If you're going to be using it for transaction notifications, you will be using the SMTP settings, and you'll be using it for transaction and notification emails. To do that, you are going to need to come into your dashboard, and then you're going to need to configure your SMTP settings. And you'll see that in this left side menu, and you're going to click this link, and you're going to click this button that says create my SMTP credentials. What you're going to do now is you're going to create an IM user for your SMTP authentication. You're going to write in a new user name. Now, once you do that and then you create your user, you're going to want to then download the credentials. Once you download these credentials, you'll want to keep these in a safe place, and you'll want to limit the number of people who are going to see them. This is going to be your connection to Amazon SES using SMTP. When you do that, you're going to get the username, you're going to get the SMTP user, and you're going to get an SMTP password. This is what you're going to need in order to connect with the application so that it will take these SMTP credentials and use them so that SES is sending the email. Once you have downloaded your credentials, you can then close out this interface. You'll need to note that these credentials will only be created once, and this is the only time you'll be able to access them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.